get straight to the point. How can you make your brain crave studying the same way it craves social media? That's the key question. First, let's understand what's really going on inside your head right now. Why can you scroll through TikTok for 3 hours without getting bored, but can't focus on a book for 15 minutes? The answer is one word: dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical messenger that makes you feel good when you experience pleasure. Your brain is wired to chase that feeling as if its survival depends on it. And that's exactly where the problem begins. Your brain is having a dopamine feast from perfectly designed short videos. Every scroll gives you something new in seconds. A joke, a dance, a shocking fact, a cute animal. No effort. No waiting. Just constant novelty and stimulation. Pure, concentrated dopamine. Now ask yourself, where does studying fall on that same pleasure scale? Right at the bottom. Books, notes, and lessons all demand effort before giving any reward. They take time, focus, and patience. Compared to TikTok's instant hit, studying feels miles away from satisfaction. That's why your brain doesn't find studying exciting at all. So what's the solution? It's simple, but powerful. And it works. Because I've seen countless students who thought they just weren't made for studying, completely transform with these methods. First, you must reset your dopamine threshold. Think of your dopamine system like a scale that's out of balance. Your threshold is too high, only the fastest and most stimulating activities can please you. Our goal is to fix that. Start with a mini dopamine detox. Don't worry, you don't need to live in the woods for a month. The goal is small daily actions that slowly reset your sensitivity. Spend 15 minutes every day doing absolutely nothing stimulating. No phone. No music. No distractions. Just you and your thoughts. Take a walk without your phone. Or sit and stare at a wall. Let your mind wander and naturally calm down. At first, you'll hate it. Your brain will beg you to grab your phone. That's your first sign it's working. You're in withdrawal because your brain is missing its dopamine overdose. But after a week, something amazing happens. Your dopamine threshold starts to drop. Suddenly, even simple things start feeling enjoyable again. A brain that's starved of dopamine learns to appreciate smaller pleasures. But that's only half the battle. Now we have to make studying more rewarding. Stop seeing textbooks as torture devices. See them as treasure chests of knowledge. Every page contains information that can literally change how you see the world. Your brain craves information, that's why you binge-watch 5 mind-blowing psychology facts. So instead of fighting your brain, work with it. Break your study material into small, achievable pieces. After each section, mark it off, draw a check mark or a star. That simple act releases a small burst of dopamine. And your brain loves it. It gives you a sense of progress, which keeps you going. Soon, studying itself starts to feel addictive. Now, let's trick your brain even more, with the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes with laser focus. Then give yourself a 5-minute reward break. Your brain loves countdowns and challenges. You've just turned focus into a game. During those 25 minutes, speak out loud what you learn. Explain it as if you're teaching someone else. Your brain processes knowledge differently when you express it aloud. And that sense of mastery releases even more dopamine. Use your hands. Take colorful notes. Write by hand instead of typing. Each color, each movement activates new parts of your brain. It makes learning fun, and helps you stay focused longer. With these small tweaks, you turn studying into a dopamine-rich experience. Now for the final step, connect what you learn to your life. If you're studying economics, ask, why did my favorite tech brand just raise prices? If it's biology, how does my body really work when I lift weights? Learn with curiosity, not obligation. When you study out of genuine interest instead of fear or stress, everything changes. You're no longer studying for grades, you're feeding your brain's natural hunger to understand. You've seen people who study for hours without touching their phones. They're not superhuman. They have the same dopamine system as you. The only difference is, they reprogrammed their brain to associate studying with pleasure. Now it's your turn. Take back control. Start small. Today, do 15 minutes of a dopamine detox. Tomorrow, do a 25-minute Pomodoro session, and reward yourself when you finish. Within 2 weeks, you'll start noticing the change. Within a month, you might actually look forward to studying. Remember, your brain isn't broken. It's just been hijacked. Take back control of your dopamine. And you'll take back control of your future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it, so more people can see it. Thanks for watching.